Here's my Whitney crabapple. Bought this last year. Let's see what size it was. Semi-dwarf Whitney crabapple. Man, it's just covered. It's got them everywhere. They're supposed to be little golf ball size apples. A little update on my Ozark beauties. Been about 3 days now. And they're starting to come out. You can see some new growth there. Now I'm just putting these in cups to get them started because it's a little bit easier. And when I figure out where I want them and how I'm going to space them, then I'll plant them outside. Welcome back, YouTubers. So here we have the Musa Basjoo banana plant. It can survive all the way up into zone 5. So we're gonna plant this year. It's May 23rd, 2023. This is my Chandler blueberry. It's about 2 years old, I think. Going back into the jungle now. This is my triple crown blackberry. This is a complete mess back here. I'm gonna have to pull some weeds and thin some stuff out. This is what happens when you grow stuff too close together. You're constantly thinning and trimming. Down here I have a bunch of strawberries. They help to keep the weeds out, but this is about one of the only areas I still gotta pull weeds in. This is my greenhouse. It's 8 by 12. You can kind of see how I built a frame on the inside and put the bubble wrap up in the wintertime. It seems to help a lot. These are my Kiowa blackberries. These things get huge and they spread. I pretty much cut them all down last year and they're all coming back really strong. There's the grapevines. They get a lot of sun during the day, actually. Here's the garden. Back behind the fence in the alley. These I see some apples on. I think I got like 3 Honeycrisps in a row right here. Those I was trying to make into some commulars, and then I started planting other stuff, but they're just dwarfs, so I can thin them out pretty good, and they do pretty good. Some more. And on the front side we have pears in the front, a few little peaches, some cherry trees. Actually a cherry tree right there. Probably gonna chop the top of that one and try to make it lower. Little Bing cherry dwarf. A multi-tree. It's got a Santa Rosa plum. Italian prune. Elberta peach. Mormon apricot. What else do we have on here? There was something else. That's it. There's some little peaches right there.